Hello everyone, I am Tedi, but you can call me Tedi. I am from a small and humble village in Bogor, Indonesia.
I grew up in a humble family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. No one in my family has ever worked in the industry. Since I was a child, I watched my father work very hard in the fields every day, no matter the weather or the challenges. He always told me, if you want a better future, you must be strong. I still hold on to those words today. They have become the foundation of how I live my life. Keep moving, keep learning, and never give up. My career started even before I graduated from my diploma. I worked in research and development laboratory at pharmaceutical company. And later, I returned to the company where I did my internship, supporting their R&D division. This experience gave me a strong foundation in product analysis, documentation, and quality system. Each role taught me one important lesson. Skill can be learned, but attitude and responsibility are what help someone grow. At the end of 2022, I joined PT Evonik Indonesia. And this became one of the most meaningful chapters in my professional journey. I work in the QHSE department, supporting many areas of the business. My responsibility include monitoring raw material, in-process and finished product testing, supporting QA documentation and audit preparation, handling product complaint with marketing and technical sales, visiting customer and port to check product condition on directly, providing technical analysis and corrective action recommendation, giving training to customers and third parties on handling and safety, supporting procurement by finding quotation and checking technical specification for lab needs. But what makes Evonik truly special is not only the work. What makes Evonik different is the people, the culture, and the strong sense of togetherness we have. For me, work is not only about completing tasks. It is about growing together and creating meaningful impact. I see the workplace as a second home, a place where collaboration and trust are built. I believe that even small contribution can create a big difference.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.